this is my new router table prototype. I'm quite amazed by the number of router tables that rely on just the grub screws underneath to hold the whole router in place. I think that's pretty risky for such a powerful unit. So what I have designed here is extra stability for the unit underneath the router table. So as per normal, you can remove the router base, locate the holes, drill through, fix through the top, and locate the router in place. But before you set up to use the router for any full-time cutting, just simply slide these steel bars through and slot into the bottom as per fix. Obviously fix using the base plate to locate the router, but it's only for location, not for taking the strain. Okay, so to follow up from there, I've made some brackets. These brackets are designed to take the whole weight of the router and to lock it into place, to clamp it into place while it's operating, which okay, so that's nice, and obviously there's two of them, so I don't need to put too much pressure on the first one, otherwise I'll be in trouble. Won't be able to get that second one in. So just turn it around slightly, so you can turn it down so the camera can see it better. Pick that up first. So put that in there. Fix the nut. Okay. Now I would like to say I had this idea all by myself, but actually I've seen the old marvellous Matthias Wandel and his version of it, and another few fellas on YouTube have done the same thing. What I've got to say about that is great minds think alike. Anyway, so there we go, that's that. Now I'm just going to flip that over. As you can see, flipping it over, the router's in there nice and solid. Very, very stable, and that's taken the weight of around about 7 kg, which is nice to operate with. Okay, so there's no need to plug that one in and turn it up. So this one, a simple fence, and using coach bolts underneath, through, washer, washer on that one. And then we have very stable router table, suitable for bench height. And the materials used for this is birch faced ply or engineering ply. Gives us a very stable finish. The actual finish of this is bare, there's no product on this at all. The reason for that is that I actually like the colour, and a little bit of dirt doesn't really worry me too much. So anyway, there's my router table, the very basic model, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.